Oops, I'm supposed to be videotaping the mirror. My bad. This. And then you turn him around into the lift. And then we're almost home. Keep going. Pull him in. That was nice.
Hello.
Sorry. Something. Head. You twirl her back around.
So stop. So if it's this way,
You're right.
then okay, I just want to make sure. So
Okay, let's not turn her too much more. And you're gonna roll down. And you're gonna, oopsies, I'm not videoing you anymore apparently. Ah!
The leg slide.
The knee slide. Maybe it's gonna have to be a roll.
I think it's going to have to be since there's just no
Yeah.
way to do it.
Okay. Oh, ouchie. This is ab work. Cool. You reach for his shoulder though, Jess. And pull yourself up. Grab his shoulder. Shoulder. But you gotta grab his shoulder to help your. Oh, you did? Oh, okay. Oops, I'm not videoing anything. Ah! This is the worst video ever. Up the arm. We actually haven't gone this far yet. That's funny. I love it.
Yeah. Carry. Then back.
You're coming back into the turny thing.
2 steps. Turn to your left.
I turned over my leg, right?
So.
And they're there! Yay!